gives you backsies. There we go. We got ourselves a little bluegill. We are out here catching the easiest bait for catfishing. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. We're just going to place the tiniest bit of worm that we have left on our hook in some rocks. So right here we've got our number 4 hook that I have tied onto my main line, and a number 4 sinker, and then we have a green or chartreuse worm that we're just gonna put on the hook. There's no certain way that I just do it. I just feed it on there. Make them look like so. And we are ready. So what I like to do is I like to look for structure in the water. So right here we've got a log, we've got some rocks. That's good hiding areas for bluegill. And then right over here we have the boat launch. So we're gonna try out this high probability area and see what we can get. Oh. Well, when you're trying to catch catfish bait, you don't want to lose your bait. I mean, sure, catfish prefer big baits, but they'll eat peanuts too. What you see here is a lot of fry moving up off the bank. Little baby fish. This looks a little bit more promising. Got bigger rocks sticking up out of the water. We've got an entire rock ledge here. So we will see what we can get. Another little peanut. A smaller peanut. Don't get me wrong, I like catching big bait, but little bait is just as fun. Now we're getting bigger. Little green sunfish. I'll toss him back.
You caught it big enough when you had to walk back with him?
Yeah. I got stuck a couple times. Like I caught a couple little ones. What we have here is a green sunfish. Oh! That I dropped on the ground.